Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the ringtone volume on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now there are two ways you can adjust your ringtone volume. So the first one is by using the settings. So find the settings app on the home screen or the app drawer, tap on it, and then scroll down and select sound and vibration. And then from here, find the ringtone option. Now you'll notice a slider icon, so you can slide to the right to increase the volume, or you can simply slide it to the left to reduce the volume. Now that's one way of adjusting the ringtone volume. The other way is by using the volume rockers buttons. So simply press on any button, be it the volume up or volume down. And then from this option that appears, simply tap on the three dots within that volume. So let me just do that. Tap on those three dots and then find the ringtone option. So here is the ringtone slider. So let's just do that again. And then all you have to do is simply slide up or down, slide up to increase the volume, or slide down to simply reduce that volume. So that's basically it on how to adjust the ringtone volume on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.